let's start with chapter number 5, Changing Homes. In this chapter, we will study about the home. Home is a place where we all live to protect us from heat, cold and rain. Now, our homes provide us shelter, protection, comfort and safety, but these houses we see today are quite different from the houses that we see in the past. पहले जो houses थे वो कच्चा house होते थे. Now we have पक्का house. Now houses in the past. The early human beings sheltered themselves from wet weather and wild animals by living in caves. They began to build a simple homes in their village. They used wood, dried grass and mud for building homes. What they use? Wood, dried grass and mud for building homes. Their houses had high ceilings which allowed better air circulation. All rooms had a large window and ventilators. यहाँ पे large window होते थे, ventilators होते थे. There was lot of open space in and around the house. The houses has huge courtyards and spacious room. The kitchen used to be smoking and full of soot because they use cow dung, cakes or firewood as fuel. People use oil lamps, lanterns to light their houses. There was no electricity. पहले से बहुत बड़ा क्या होता था, एरिया होता था, खुला एरिया होता था. लोग घर में चूल्हे पे रोटी बनाते थे, खाना बनाते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा स्मोक हो जाती थी. ठीक है, वो किसका यूज़ करते थे? फायरवुड और काउ डंग का. Now all the walls in the house had special places where the oil lamps and lanterns could be placed. People drew water either from the wells in their courtyard or from hand pumps. In old times, most people they lived in a joint family. Houses in village. Many people in India still live in a villages. People living in villages generally choose agriculture as their main occupation. वो क्या choose करते हैं कि जो agriculture होती है वो उनके main occupation होती है. They also keep poultry farm or dairy. People keep cattle in their home, build mud granary to store their grains. Homes जो होते थे वो natural area of 1 or 2 store or with tight thatched roof. Every house has a courtyard. Food is cooked on chulhas. That is used as biogas, wood or charcoal. Village houses may be pakka or kacha. Pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement and iron. Kacha houses are made up of mud, bamboo, leaves और हम grass का use करते थे. The houses are not very strong. They have to be repaired very often. Villages are changing rapidly with the spread of education, technology, better transport, road and railroads. Most villages have electricity. They have water supply, roads, schools, medical facilities. The change can be seen in their houses. Now most of the rich people they are living in the पक्का. अगर आप गाँव में भी जाओगे तो आप देखोगे ज़्यादातर जो लोग हैं उन्होंने पक्के घर बना लिए. They have पक्का house. Houses in cities. In cities and town, people usually live in the pakka house. The houses that are made up of bricks, iron and cement. These houses are strong and they do not need to be repaired often. And the type of houses that we see in cities, we have bungalow, multi-storied building. There are many multi-storied buildings in cities. They are tall buildings with many floors. Each floor has many flats. Hundreds of people live in the multi-storied building. The multi-storied building complex usually has all the modern facilities like shopping center, community hall, park, and this makes the life easy for the people to borrow. Then we have simple pakka house. These are small simple houses with small veranda and flat roof made up of cement and concrete. Then we have bungalow. They are very big and spacious houses with 1 or 2 floors and with lot of space around them. Then we have residential colonies. Houses are built together in rows. These houses usually have 2 or 3 stories. Slums. Many people from villages come to cities in search of work. They cannot afford to build or buy a house. Even renting a house is also too expensive for them, and they make houses on vacant land of weather material like mud, rags, brick is available to them. These houses do not have facilities. यहाँ पे facilities नहीं होती, जैसे water supply की facility नहीं होती, electricity की नहीं होती. ये कहाँ रहता है? एक unhygienic condition में रहते हैं. There is no safe drinking water, proper toilet facility. Stagnant water और जो garbage होता है, it is found all around their houses. It is an ideal breeding ground for mosquito and flies. This was all for this chapter. नाउ जो धारावी है मुंबई इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट स्लम इन एशिया. सबसे जो बड़ा स्लम है वो आपका क्या है, धारावी है, जो कहाँ लाई करता है, मुंबई. नाउ वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.